got going on in here, guys?
I gotta redo the belts.
The original. The OG.
Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on today's video. I'm Fletcher. This is the Fletcher Wolf Racing channel. And behind me in this trailer is going to be a car that we're going to do a bunch of fun stuff with. Basically the goal for this car, and I'll show you what it is in just a sec when we drop the door, is to go to different racetracks and experience different types of racing. You could call it the low-cost race car. So without further ado, let's drop the trailer door and take a look at this car.
Make sure to check out fletch95.com. You can go to our store, get your very own cool race car stuff t-shirts. We also have limited stock left on last year's racing tee, so you can check that out as well. fletch95.com. A link will be in the description.
At least it's got springs on it, so it's not like ours that's impossible to open. There she is. It's yellow and purple. Alright, so we've got the race car in the shop. A little bit about these cars. So this is an SCCA IT7 race car. IT is improved touring, which is a regional SCCA class. IT7 is for like the 79 through 85 RX-7s with the 12A. The goal for this car is just to take it to the racetrack and have fun, make content along the way, and kind of revive this race car's life. As far as road racing cars go, are definitely on the lower cost end of the spectrum. So actually, I just looked, 2 of these on Racing Junk right now. One of them is $4,500 and the other one is $6,200. Actually, one of them is purple and yellow, and believe it or not, it's not this car. So somehow there's 2 purple and yellow IT7 race cars out there. How that happened is a mystery that will never be solved. So, a list of things that we had to do before we drive this car around. First thing we had to do was get it up, get the tires off, give it a look at.
Yep.
Pulled the battery out because it was 10 years old and had a fair amount of SpongeBob growth on it. Leaving the terminal on there because it's SpongeBob. Change the oil, check the transmission fluid, check the rear end fluid. We bled the brakes, did a full brake flush bleed. We had to put a fuel pump in it and check the whole fuel system through, make sure the regulator was working. We changed a fuel filter. We fixed the oil pump or the fuel pump that was on it, so that's good. So now there's a spare for it. And then we also completely rebuilt the carburetor.
Yep, there's been some fuel left down in here and it's basically sludge now.
And we did a full nut and bolt, checked everything, steering, suspension, motor mounts, the whole 9 yards. Adam's putting a little pressure in the tires, made sure that we got everything ready to go. Check it out, we're at the racetrack. Hop out on the racetrack here. Anderson Motor Speedway. Just gonna hot lap the RX. This is the best opportunity to get it on the racetrack. Even though it's a road race car, we can get it out here, get some laps, shake it down, give it a full shakedown. That way it's 100% track ready whenever it goes to its next event, which is TBD at the moment.
Not supposed to be, but you can see it. Now, SCCA Tech
You're rolling, baby.
Okay, let Adam get up there.
Yeah, you're good. Well, you can start her up, get it warmed up. famous Adam T. Bar.
It may not. This crosswalk.
Going on in here, guys?
I gotta redo the belts.
For who?
For who?
Mr. Hampton. The original. The OG. Chap himself. What made you want to get in it, Hamp?
Nostalgia.
Nostalgia. The smell of 85 pump gas and cold rubber.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, you did.
Thank you very much for watching today's video. We had a ton of fun at Anderson Motor Speedway, driving the RX-7 around, giving it a little bit of a shakedown, doing some hot laps with it. Everybody got to drive it, which was awesome. Hampton even jumped in the car, as you saw, which was pretty cool. The original owner, chap himself of the RX-7, that was pretty neat. So we had a great time. We're excited to see what happens next with this car. It's back in the trailer right now, just kind of for a little bit of storage. Not really sure what we're going to do next with it, so stay tuned. And yeah, maybe we'll get it back on track. Maybe it'll find a new home. Not really sure yet. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more extra content, bonus videos, things like that, check out our Patreon page. You can get there just by going to patreon.com and searching Fletcher Wolf Racing, and we'll catch you in the next one.